Welcome to the Magic Minute from the Magic Travel Guy. Today we head to Disney's Hollywood Studios for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. The darling duo are taking a leisurely drive to a picnic in their sporty roadster, with engineer Goofy's train following merrily along. Plot twist, you get to go too. Climb aboard a runaway railway and embark on a whirlwind ride through a world where the rules of physics don't apply. Prepare for unexpected twists, slapstick gags, and mind-boggling transformations at every turn, as Mickey and Minnie try to save the day. There's no telling where this train is heading. This is an adventure for Mickey and Minnie fans of all ages. The attraction is the first ride-through attraction at a Disney theme park to be themed to Mickey Mouse. It is based on the stylized world from the character's 2013 animated television series. The ride opened at Disney's Hollywood Studios on March 4th, 2020, and is scheduled to open at Disneyland in 2023. Be sure to check out our full ride-through video of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway right here on the Magic Travel Guy YouTube channel. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.